Good morning, all of you. All of you, just on your video so that we can have our attendance. Yes, Mukul, Harshpreet, Aditi, all of you on your videos. Aditi, on your video. Harshpreet, on your video. Vanshika, Sakshay, Aditya, all of you on your videos. It's compulsory for you all to on your videos, students. Ayushi, Yashi, Harshdeep, Archit, Vanshika, beta on your video. Archit, Anurag, Anurag, Archit. Okay, let's start with the attendance first. Abhijit, Aditi, Aditi, Aditya Bish, Aditya Bish,
Present, ma'am.
Anurag, Anurag,
Present, ma'am.
Archit,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Sirohi, Aryan Sirohi, Ayushi Arora, Ayushi Arora, Ayushi beta on your video. Okay, you are on your video. Ayushi, then after Ayushi, Chirag, 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 beta just on your video. Chirag, Dhruv, Dhruv, okay. Harsh, Harshdeep, Harshdeep,
Present, ma'am.
Harshita, Imad, 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 beta on your video. Okay, after Imad, Kashish, Kashish,
Present, ma'am.
Madhur, Madhur, Mandeep,
Ma'am.
Mandeep,
Present,
Mitansh,
ma'am.
Mitansh Rastogi, Mukul, Mukul,
Ma'am.
Navneet,
Present, ma'am.
Navneet,
Ma'am.
Sakshi,
Ma'am.
Sneha, Sneha, Saksh, Saksh,
Ma'am.
Ujjwal, Ujjwal, Vanshika,
Present, ma'am.
Yash Singhal, Yash Singhal, Yashi, Yashi, and you. Good morning, all of you. Now you can off your videos so that we can start with our chapter. I'm sharing a screen with you all. Is the screen clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as we have studied about your social responsibility. So first of all, who will be telling me what do you mean by social responsibility? Yes. What do you mean by social responsibility?
These
Yes.
are the responsibilities means the obligations of the business persons towards the upliftment of the society.
Very good. The activities which are being performed by the business organization for the upliftment of the society or for supporting the society is known as your social responsibility. As we have already discussed various examples yesterday, can anyone give me an example of social responsibility? I want a real time example, beta. Yes. Ayushi, can you give me a real-time example of social responsibility?
As in coronavirus pandemic, the number of people have given donations and supplied the medicines in the free and also give a treatment in the free. So that is the example of social responsibility.
Very good. Anyone else who want to give me an example, a real-time example of social responsibility? Vanshika, can you? Vanshika, are you there? Okay, anyone else who want to give me an example? Anurag, you can also give me an example. Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible to you all? Yes. Am I audible to you all?
And
Okay. Then let's continue with the next topic, and that is your need for social responsibility. Means why the business organization need to follow the concept of social responsibility. As we all know that the main motive of every business organization is to earn profit, right? But the focus of the business people is now diverting towards social responsibility also. And the most important reason for the change is the creation of goodwill, because the competition is increasing. So what the business organizations want, they want to create their goodwill in the market, they want to create their public image in the market. So for that they are performing social responsibilities, because they want to be the part of the society, they want to show the society that they care for the society. That's why what they are doing, they are following the concept of social responsibility. Okay, now, why the business class need the concept of social responsibility? The first one is your self-interest. This I had been explaining you before also, that it is the for the interest of the business only that they want to perform social responsibility, because they know if they will perform the social responsibility, they will perform the social activities in the society, their public image will be built in the society, and the people will know them. They will be like praising them that that is a good organization who is performing social responsibility in the you can say society. So ultimately when the public image will be improved, the profit will also increase. So for this purpose, for the self interest, they are performing the social responsibility. Okay, next is your better environment for business. Means with the help of social responsibility, they are capturing the society. They are impressing the society. So what is happening there? The environment for the business will be there, a good environment there, because if we see that the business exists in the external environment or the social environment, okay, everything which the business require, whether it be the labor, whether it be the money, whether it be the raw material, all are coming from the society itself. So when they will be performing the social responsibility, the external environment, the social environment will be supporting the business people, and they will be able to survive in the environment. They will be supporting them to survive in the environment, because for performing the business, the support of society is must. So with that, the environment for doing the business will also improve, and ultimately it helps in improving the profits of the business also. Okay, now the second need for social responsibility is public image. Okay, the public image, as I had told you, will be ultimately increasing while the company will be will be socially responsible. Like if I am donating, or I am doing some charity, I am opening some charitable schools or hospital, ultimately my public image will be improved in the society. That's why you must have seen that many of the companies are opening their own schools where they are giving free education to the poor children. So ultimately, what will happen? This will help them to support in their public image. Means the public image of the company will be automatically improved if the company will be performing the social responsibility. Okay. Now the fourth one is your avoidance of government interference. Means as you must have seen, the company who are having goodwill in the market, or the company who are performing social responsibility, in that case the government also don't used to interfere in their working. So you must have seen that companies like Reliance, Tata, they are having such a big social image, they are performing number of social activities, because of which even the government is supporting them. They are not say interfering in their activities. What they are doing, they are supporting the business people. So because of the social responsible image of the company, that their government is also seeing, the businessman is supporting the society, the businessman is supporting the government. So at that time what happens, the social image increases. In the same way also the government interference in the business also decreases. Okay, now the fifth is your social part. Social power is like the company gets the social power in its hand. Like you must have seen the big companies who are performing the social responsibility, they are having the social power in their hands. Why the social power increase? The social power increase because of the social image of the company, because they are the part of the society. They are contributing towards the society. They are helping the society by giving them employment, by providing them good quality food at the reasonable prices. So what happens? They become the social part of the you can say society, and they get the help from the society also. So for being the social part, the company needs to follow the concept of social responsibility. Am I clear to you all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now number 6 is your resources used for moral justification. Means there here we means the resources. The resources can be your man-made resources, or you can have the natural resources, because if we see that the resources, all resources are in some limit. So if the company is performing social responsibility, what the company will do, they will do the moral justification with the resources. They will not waste the resources. They will do the best utilization of the resources. So for that purpose, what the company need, they have to be socially responsible. Like they have to produce eco-friendly products, or when they are buying the raw material, or while they are using the raw material, what they have to do, they have to use them to the fullest, so that no wastage is there. Best utilization of the goods should be there. Resources should be there. Like if machinery should be like in which we can have more and more output, right? So the resources must be used for the moral justification. Okay. Now, number 7 is your contribution to the social problems. Okay. Now, why the contribution to the social problems? Like we have seen the time of coronavirus right now. We are seeing the, so this is a social problem which is being arise, and you must have seen that various business organization, various businessmen have come in front to contribute in such problems. So with the help of this, with the help of your social responsibility, the businessman can support the society, can solve the social problems of the society. Like we are having the problem of education. That's why many big business organizations are opening their school where the poor children are getting free education. So different kind of example are there, like old age home are there, which are being built by the big companies. Even they are working for the people who are going under depression, like the Reliance is working for the people who are going under depression to bring them out from the depression. So there are different type of social contributions which are being made by the business organizations. Okay, so is this clear to you all? Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now who will explain me the first point? Self interest. Yes, what do you mean by self interest here? Who will explain? Yes.
Although the main motive of the business is to earn the profit, when the
Yes.
businessman is doing the social responsibilities, then the society will also support the business, and it will help the business to grow, and hence it will earn more profit.
Very good, Ayushi. Okay, now the next point, better environment for business. Who will explain this? How
Ma'am,
the, yes, Navneet?
social responsibility creates better environment for business, as social responsibilities improve the quality of life, which results in raising the standard of living.
Very good. Okay, now the third point, how the public image of the company is improved with the help of social responsibility. Vanchika. I think Vanshika mic is not working today. Okay, Mandeep, you can answer beta. How the public image is being improved with the help of social responsibility. Yes, Mandeep. Yes, Mandeep. Okay, Palak, you explain how the public image will be improved.
Goods press through doing good works,
Yes, very good.
which is considered as businesses to be one of the best way.
Yes, very good. So ultimately, the public image will be improved. Okay, Sakshar. How the government interference can be avoided with the help of social responsibility.
Government
Sakshay.
intervention is costly to business and restricts the flexibility and freedom of decisions. Am I audible?
Sakshi, you're not audible, beta. Okay, Navneet, you answer, beta. How the avoidance of government can be there?
Ma'am, the interference of government is costly to the business and it
Mm,
restricts the flexibility and freedom of making decisions.
yes. So how we can avoid that with the help of social responsibility? Yes. How we can avoid the government interference with the help of social responsibility? Who will tell me?
If a businessman is performing the social responsibilities, then the government will not interfere in the businessman's affairs, as the government knows that the businessman is contributing towards the society, so it will not affect the
Yes, the
decisions of the business.
public image which is being created will support the businessman in avoiding the government interference. Good. Okay. Now, who will explain me social power? Yes, social power.
And the social power of the
Yes, Palak.
social responsibility that
Mhm.
relies on ethics, which suggests that an organization or individual has an obligation.
Oh, good. Okay, now the last point, contribution to the social problems. How the business people are contributing towards the social problems, or what are actually the social problems? Who will tell me what do you mean by social problems?
Business has
Yes,
created some social
Some
problems
of the
such
so
as
yes.
business has created the social problems such as pollution, creation
Sakshi,
of
your voice
nuisance.
is very low, beta. You can
Okay,
write on the chat window.
okay.
some of
Okay,
the
Yashi?
social problem
Yes, Yashi.
some of the social problems have either been created or perpetuated by business enterprise
Mm,
themselves, like
yeah,
environmental pollution, unsafe
yeah.
workplaces.
Good. Very good, Yashi. So I think the need for social responsibility is clear to you all. Now let's move to the next topic, that is your case against social responsibility. Now in this topic we will be studying about why the businessman is sometimes against social responsibility, or why he is not favoring the social responsibility. Okay. Now the first case is your motive of earning profit. As we have discussed in the first chapter only, that every business organization is having the motive of earning profit. So if the business organization is not able to earn the profit, what will happen? They will be like, at the time they are contributing for the social activity, what will they do? They will give the part of the profit only. So ultimately the profit will be reduced because the social responsibility is being performed by taking the money from the profit. So ultimately the objective of earning profit or increasing the profit will be not there. It will be eliminated. So that's why the business people, when they think about social responsibility, the first thing which used to come in their mind is that their profit motive. You know, like if they are contributing, say, 1 crore towards the social responsibility, okay, and the company is having the turnover of say 10 crores, okay, so ultimately it will get reduced to 9 crores. Why? Because they are contributing 1 crore for the social development. So ultimately it is reducing the profits of the company. That's why the business people resist from contributing the social activities. That's why the small scale business are not able to perform the social business activities. Okay. Now the second one is your lack of social skills. Means the social skills are being lacked. Everyone is not expert in performing the social responsibility or not good at interacting with the society or having an interaction with the society. So because of lack of social skills, they are not able to capture the society, or they are not able to create a public image in the society. So because of the lack of the social skills, they are not able to interact with the society or create a public image. That's why in such cases where the businessman is not very good at the social skills, he used to resist, or he is not in favor of the social responsibility. Okay. Now the third one is your social responsibility involves cost. Means if anyone wants to perform social responsibility, or any business organization wants to perform social responsibility, at that time there is a cost which is to be paid. Like if I want to do the donation, if I want to build a charitable hospital, or I want an orphanage, or I want some school for the poor children, at that time what is involved? Money is involved. They have to contribute money, because without investing money, the businessman would not be able to say perform the social responsibility. So social responsibility always involves cost, because whenever you do charity, whenever you open schools or hospitals, at that time money is being invested. So for performing the social responsibility, they have to pay a lot of cost. So that's why the business people put a backward for performing the social responsibility, because they know a lot of money will be invested for doing so. Okay. Now the fourth one is your dilution of basic goal of business. Dilution of basic goal of business is, as we have discussed, the main motive of the business is to increase the sales turnover, or to increase the profits of the business organization. So these type of goals of the business are diluted, because when they will be focusing on the business objective, or they will be focusing towards the social development, they would not be able to focus on the goals of the business. So dilution of the basic goals of the business is there. Okay. Now the last one is your business are not moral agents. Means if we see that performing any social activity is a moral work. Okay. So a business organization is not a moral agent, or we can say that the business people are not moral agents. Their work is not to perform for the development of the society. Their main motive is to earn money. So it's not been expected earlier from the business, but because of increasing the public image, the business organization are performing these type of moral responsibilities. So is this topic clear to you all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now explain the first case against your social responsibility, that the motive of profit earning is there, but it is not being fulfilled. Yes. Explain the first point. Who will explain the first point? Yashi, can you explain the first point? Yes, Yashi.
Ma'am, any talk of social responsibilities against this objective?
Yes.
And
Yes, you can explain like the profit will be reduced while the company will be performing the social activity. Is this clear to you, beta?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, lack of social skills. Who will explain? Navneet?
The, ma'am, the businessmen are not so skilled to perform a social responsibilities.
Yes. Yes. So because they are lacking the social skills, they are not able to perform the social responsibility. Okay. Now, third one is your social responsibility involves cost. Yes. Who will explain this? Palak, how the social responsibility involves cost? Palak. Yes, Sakshi. Who will
Uh,
explain this point? Yes.
it is an ethical framework and suggests that an individual has an obligation to commit.
Mhm. Yes. Okay. Now, Ayushi explained dilution of basic goal of business.
The main objective, the doing the social responsibilities, the businessman is diverted from its main goals.
Yes.
So, its social responsibilities affect the business activities and the main goals of the businessman.
Good. Okay. Now the last point, business are not moral agents. Yes, who will explain this? Business are not moral agents. Harshdeep. Yes, Harshdeep, explain this point. Business are not moral agents. Okay, who will explain? Business are not moral agents. Navdeep, can you beta?
Ma'am, a moral agent is a person who has the ability to distinguish between right and wrong
Yes,
decisions for the welfare of the society. As businessmen are are there to perform business only, so they don't know that what is good or bad for the society.
very good. Okay. Now we will be continuing with the next topic, that is your reality of social responsibility. In this topic, we will be studying about that what is the real reason behind the business people are performing the social responsibility. Okay, what is the reality that the business people are nowadays increasing the involvement towards the society. Okay, so the first thing is threat of public regulation, means it is a threat for the company, or you can say there are various rules and regulations which are being framed by the government, which are to be followed by the business people. So because of the threat of that public regulation, the companies are performing the social responsibility. Like the government is saying that the pollution should not be created. If any factory will create pollution, the company will be penalized at that time. Or you can say the wage act is there. Like if the company will not give the wages according to the government, the company will be sued to the court for that. So because of the threat of the government, what they are doing, they are we can say performing the social responsibility because they are scared from the government. They don't want government interference, so they have to perform the social responsibility. Okay. Now the second is your pressure of labor movements, means there is a pressure which is being created by the labor movement. As you must have seen, if the labor are not getting the accurate wages or they are not getting the good working condition, what happens? They used to go against the company. They do not follow the company. You can say the company is not getting output according to their requirements because the labor is not supporting it. So as they know, they will be earning profit only when the labor will be supporting them. So for making the labor in their support, what they used to do, they used to give them, you can say, the support by giving them the good wages, by giving them good working conditions. So for because of this pressure, they used to follow the social responsibility, or they are working for the support of the labor. Third one is your impact of consumer consciousness, means the consumer are very conscious nowadays. It is not like that earlier that the people do not complain for the company if the product of the company is not according to the need of the consumer or according to the words of the consumer. So you must have seen various examples in which the company is being sued by the customer if the customer is not satisfied with the product which is being provided by the company. So because of the cases which are being made by the consumer and the consumer court is now there, so that's why the company for breaking their public image, what they are doing, they are keeping their promises. They are working for the welfare of the society so that the goodwill can be created and the consumer always have a positive image towards the company. Okay. And the last one is your development of social standards for business. Means social standards are being made for the business. Like A business organization should not create pollution. The business people should give accurate wages to the laborers. They should give quality products to the public. So because these type of social standards are being made for the business organization, so for this reason, what the company has to do, they have to follow the concept of social responsibility, whether they want to follow or they don't want to follow. So is this topic clear to you all, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now explain me the threat of public regulation. Yes, who will explain me this point? The threat of public regulation
Ma'am,
is there.
to avoid the interference of government, the businessmen do social services.
Okay, good Navneet. Okay, now the pressure of labor movement, who will explain beta? Yes. Pressure of
Towards
labor
this,
movement. Yes.
to earn the profit, the businessman need the support of the labor, and it can only be achieved when the businessmen work in the favor of the of the labor. So the businessman provides each and every facility to the labor.
Very good, Ayushi. Okay, who will explain me the impact of consumer consciousness? Yes. What do you mean by this? Consumer consciousness? Who will explain this point? Yes.
Development
Yes.
development of education and mass media, increasing competition in the market, have made the consumer conscious of right and power.
Very good, Yashi. Explain well. Okay, now the last point, development of social standards for business. Who will explain this point? Yes, Ayushi?
As the standards are made for the businessman that they must have to follow these standards, like they have don't have to create the pollution and have to give good condition and environment to the laborers. So due to these standards, the businessmen have to follow the social responsibilities.
Very good. Now I think the all the three topics which we have covered today are clear to you all. If you are having any problem, we will be discussing this topic tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all of you.